welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we will see who will you marry. There are three pies, you can choose any one of them. The first one is this yellow candle, second one is orange one, last but not the least red candle. You can choose any one of them. You can meditate on these cards. Thank you so much. I welcome back pile number one, whoever has chosen this yellow candle. Yellow could be this person's favorite color or this could be your favorite color. So let's go ahead with your reading. So these are your cards. The Fool, Four of Swords, Judgment, Eight of Cups, Eight of Wands, the Hierophant, the Empress. These are your oracle cards which we will see in the last segment. The sun signs I can see over here are Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, Aries, Leo, Taurus, Pisces, Capricorn. All these sun signs are over here. So Libra is heavy on this reading, okay? This sun sign is heavy on this reading, and with the Fool card, definitely. With the Fool card, this person could be, in your friend zone, or this person has walked away from you. This could be your ex relationship, and now this person, wanted to come towards you. With the Fool card, if you can see, this person wanted to take a risk and come towards you and give you a commitment. For some of you, this could be you're already married to this person, and this is like mother of your child, something like that. And this person has walked away from you with the Eight of Cups, or you might have walked away from this person because of this person is playing some mind games or something like that, or this person was not so much serious about you, because Fool is like somebody who is not very serious in the relationship. But this person wanted to message you. This person is holding a message, and a flower. So this person wanted to come towards you with a message as well as a flower. Some of you will marry your ex-husband or ex-partner, and for some people, for single people, I can see that this person will be walking away from another relationship. That time this person will come towards you. Four of Swords, it is like this person is a very calm person. This person doesn't like to fight a lot. This person will, put down their swords and wanted to come towards you, wanted to message you. You can see over here with the Eight of Wands. You both can be from different culture, different background. You can be in a long distance relationship. So this person wanted to, put down all the swords and all the fights with you and come towards you and give you a commitment. With the Judgment card, definitely I can see over here that judgment will happen. With the Hierophant card, there might be age difference between both of you. This person can be a spiritual teacher or a healer or some kind of teacher or a speaker, okay, a spokesperson. And definitely this person see you as this Empress. Empress is like somebody who is very smart. She is very motherly. She knows what she's doing. This person sees you as an Empress, very beautiful, very kind, very alluring, and this person loves your body a lot, and they see you as mother of their children. And they will definitely give you a commitment. And if you are totally single, this is totally a new person coming towards you. You both are having some age difference. This person could be 5 years older than you. Yeah, I can see that. And this person is coming from far away place, not from from your state, country or something like that. This could be a foreigner also for some people. So let's go ahead with your oracle cards. The first card is this bad health. Bad health shows that this person is presently not well, and or you might have some bad health, or you might have some health issues, or this person is going through a health issue. 31 is your age or this person's age. You can meet this person through study, in the school, in college, in library, and this could be a teacher, this could be a research analyst, this could be somebody who provides information to a lot of people. He is a very intelligent person, he or she, because there is an owl in the picture. So very intelligent person and very confident. They know what they are doing, they have a lot of clarity, and career wise this person could be a teacher for most of the people. Gratitude. When this person will meet you, definitely they will feel gratitude that you came to this person's life. Within 5 months you can get married to this person. Let's go ahead with your personal messages. First card is commitment. This person will give you commitment. Dream come true. So this could be like a dream come true to you. Very romantic person, very lovable. Third party cheated, so this person could be in a third party situation, and like what I said, that this person would be walking away from somebody to come towards you. So third party has cheated on them. They are coming towards you. You are always on my thought. So this person knows you, because 10 of swords is here. So you both can be dating earlier and you were in the third party situation. So this person is saying that you are always there in his or her thoughts. Dream come true. So you are like a dream come true to this person, and you will get married to this person after 5 months. Okay guys, so this was your reading. I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit a thumbs up on my video and please subscribe to my channel. If you need a personal reading, definitely you can contact me through email. Everything is mentioned in the below description box. Thank you so much. Let's set up to pile number 2. Hi, welcome back. Pile number 2. Whoever has chosen this orange candle, this could be your favorite color or this could be this person's favorite color. So let's go ahead with your reading. These are your oracle cards, which we will see in the last segment. Your cards are Ace of Pentacles, King of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Six of Wands. So as I can see, earth signs are heavy on this reading. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces is there. Aries, Leo, Sag is also there equally. Okay. Ace of Chalices, a little bit of Pisces is there and little bit of Aries, Leo, Sag, but Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is heavy on this reading. So with the Ace of Pentacles, you can meet this person through work. You can meet this person through some sort of partnership, monetary transactions. For example, if you're going to a bank, you can meet there this person. You can interact with them regarding some monetary things or something like that. So you can meet this person through work only. Okay. And this person is very beautiful, very handsome. Queen of Wands is somebody who is very materialistic, very smart. This person is very attractive, very, very attractive, very beautiful. And with the King of Cups, this person would not be that much emotional. This person knows how to control his or her emotions. And with the Knight of Pentacles, relationship will give you contentment. This could be a solid offer from this person. Very romantic person, very kind person. They will give you a solid offer of love. And right now this person is juggling because of money issues. Some money issues is going on this person's life, or this person is juggling between two things. That could be their work, that could be their family, and in the end you both will get married definitely with the Six of Wands. This could be a traditional marriage, this could be a successful marriage. You both will celebrate. As you can see, this person is holding a trophy, so you could be best friends, both of you. And with the Ace of Chalices, new beginning will be there. You both will be enjoying a lot. As you can see, this person is kissing her on the neck. This person loves your neck area. This person wanted to caress you romantically. This person wanted to touch you, feel you. This is like new beginning, very emotional, relationship. Both cannot, take off your hands from each other. That kind of relationship would be there. So as you can see, you are going somewhere outside, so there will be a lot of traveling, going to different hotels, going to different places to spend time with each other, and make out with each other after marriage. This marriage would be very successful with the Six of Wands. This person would be very romantic, very smart actually. This could be a businessman, this could be your boss, this could be your manager, something like that. This is a long-term commitment. This is a sort of long-term relationship, guys. Let's go ahead with your oracle. The first card is protection. This person will always protect you from all the evils, all the devils, all the demonic people. This person is like a protector, family man, family women. You both will have 2 kids. There are 2 fans. So this person will protect your kids as well as you. This is a person who is working as a speaker, or work involves basically speaking, talking on a subject or something like that. This could be a YouTubian, some sort of speaker, healer, something like that. Main, female. So the boys who are watching this video, this person would be very beautiful, very classy person actually. I can see that. Now let's go ahead with your personal messages. Twin flames. You both are in a twin flame relationship. Fight and fucked up. So it's possible that you both were working together and you had a lot of fight or something like that regarding some issues, or there could be some misunderstandings as well. I really love you. This person loves you. Twin flame marriage. So 2 times twin flame is there. So this is a twin flame marriage. It's hard to let you go. So this person has let you go in the past. Now this person wanted to come back and will give you a commitment. So this was your reading. I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit a thumbs up on my video and please subscribe to my channel. If you need a personal reading, you can contact me through email. Everything is mentioned in the below description box. Thank you so much. Let's set up to pile number 3. Hi, welcome back, pile number 3. Whoever has chosen this red candle, this person is very passionate about you, and red is like this person's favorite color, or it could be your favorite color. So let's go ahead with your reading. Queen of Cups, Page of Wands, Page of Pentacles, the World card, 9 of Wands, the Devil, and 8 of Chalices. So the sun signs I can see over here is Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sag. Leo, Aquarius, Taurus, Scorpio are heavy on this reading, and Capricorn as well. Pisces is also there a little bit. So Leo is heavy on this reading as well as Capricorn. Alright. So as you can see, with the Queen of Cups, this person would be very emotional, very kind, and very understanding person. This person knows other people's problems. This could be a light worker, this could be a healer. And with the World card, this person is going through something and ending a past relationship. Then this person will come towards you. This person could be ending a relationship, then this person will come towards you. They might be dealing with a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and that person could be very emotional, very dramatic. They could have already have a kid or something like that, a boy child or a girl child. This person will be coming out of a relationship with the World card, ending a cycle and then starting a new cycle with you, getting married to you. With the Page of Wands, this person could be in a page energy. Page energy is like a very young vibe. Their age could be something around 32, 35, 40, but they will have a young vibe, very passionate about their work, their relationship. This person would be very attracted towards you, because Page of Wands is like somebody who is very attracted to new relationship. The first time you meet this person will be a little bit guarded, with the Nine of Wands. This is a wounded warrior. You have to take care of all these things. This person is wounded from the past, so because of that, this person would be, you know, a little bit guarded. They would not allow anyone to come inside their you know, guards, and you know, play with them, play with their feelings. And this person could be a divorcee. That is just a channel message. With the Page of Pentacles, as you can see over here, that definitely they will see you in the Page of Pentacles energy. You both have some age difference, 4 or 5 years, 2 years, 1 year, and they will offer you this pentacle. You can meet through work, you can meet through some healing sessions as well. Definitely they will be attracted to your body, your smile, your eyes, your lips, everything, your dressing sense, your you know, style, everything. They will just love it. They will love your you know, whole vibe. You could be a Capricorn, or that person could be a Capricorn. In their charts, heavy sun moon rising Capricorn could be there, or it could be in your charts. They will see you as the spy. You can see a very vibrant person, very stylish, very cute. You could have this kind of haircut as well. This person will you know, treat you like a pie. They wanted to eat you actually. Very possessive person. You know, once you date this person, within a year you both will be like you know, possessive about each other, or this person could be very possessive about you know, you. Passionate relationship can start. You can move in together, you can live in together, or you could be staying together for 1 year and then you decide to get married and all that. This person could propose you for marriage, and it will be like that. You both will be working on some project or something like that with the Page of Pentacles, and it would be a solid offer for you. You will feel that this person is you know, a nice person. This person can understand you. You both have passion for each other, and they might have done some magic to get you. Okay, that is also possible. With the Eight of Chalices, as you can see that they will, you know, take you outside. They will take you for dinners, dinner dates, and they will dance with you. They will caress you. They will be highly romantic. You know, they will take you for shopping. They will take you for dancing. You both will be enjoying a lot. You both will be going, you know, out to enjoy with each other, the nature. A lot of things will be happening. You know, after your marriage, you will cherish this time. Okay, you both will be connected. Your heart will be connected, both of yours. Okay, now let's go ahead with your oracle cards. So your first oracle card is Power. This person could be in a powerful position, like a CEO, like a manager, or like having their own business. Moreover, very powerful from inside, very confident. As you can see, there is a cheetah in the picture. Like a sun, this person will be very bright, very sharp. Okay, and definitely this person will protect you. They will be like a, you know, power to you. They will give more power to you. If you are, you know, having some fears and all that, they will definitely change it, and you can feel that power when you will get married to this person. Next is Builder. This could be a gym artist, or they could own a gym, or they have, you know, they will be working as a builder. Builder means they could be you know, who works on their body, something like that, or you know, teaching bodybuilding and all that. All these things can come up in this, and they will be very accomplished, as I have said, because of the power. They can be at a very good position, own their own business. They can you know, they have invested a lot of money in their business, something like that. That is just a channel message. Family room. As you can see, they will give you all the luxuries, everything whatever you need. There is coffee on the table. Photo is also there, so it might be your photo and their mother's photo. Okay. And they will have a very good house, very beautiful house. This could be out of the country as well. You could marry a foreigner, that is possible. And everything is posh over here, so they can be from a very business class family, whomsoever you're getting married to, regardless of your color, caste, creed, whatever. Okay. So this person will give you all the luxuries, everything, but definitely they only expect that you should respect them. You should not fight with them, and give them, at most respect to this person, which they have not received from the past relationship. They have, that person might be very dramatic and given them a lot of problems. Okay. They might be fighting in the court for the kid or something like that. That's just a channel message, as I can see over here. Twin flames, you both will be settling out of the country. This could not be a traditional marriage. This could be a normal wedding, like court marriage, or elope with each other or something like that, or a normal temple marriage, something like that. Magic, this person has put some magic on you, because we have the Capricorn over here. This person has put a spell on you so that you can be with them. Burden, this person is going through a burden of the past relationship, so you have to heal them. You have to lessen those burden with the 10 of Wands. You have to help them to heal. You both can heal each other with your touch, with your beautiful smile. Okay. Lied to you, this person has lied to you. Something, you already know this person. You might have crossed path with each other, so this person has lied to you something. They have they might have said a lot of lies to you, that they are not in a marriage, or they are not in a commitment, something like that. I want to text you. This person wanted to speak to you guys, so this person will text you within I think 8 months, or 8 months or 1 year. You can get married to this person. I love you. This person loves you guys. Okay. They just love you. They just love your vibe, your vibrant harmony. So your relationship would be very harmonious, very loving, very caring, very romantic, very understanding. You have very understanding, so you have to take care of all these things. So pile number 3 is very good. Pile number 2, pile number 1, all the piles are very good. You can watch a whole video. The video is very nice. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit a thumbs up on my video, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you need a personal reading, definitely you can contact me through email, Instagram, WhatsApp. Everything is mentioned in the below description box. Thank you so much. I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.